Hi everyone, welcome to today's table topic practice video and just let me grab the table topic for today. The table topic for today is what and who is an average person? What and who is an average person? What and who is an average person? When I think about it, I do not agree with the general definition that you put all the people in basket and people who are performing like around the mean of that population, mean of that sample, you would call them at average. So, for example, if there is an exam out of 100 marks or any class, we just take that. If the person scores around 50%, we will call them average. And I completely disagree with that. The way we are putting it out is we are putting unnecessary burden on most of the people. You have to assume that in any world, in when you change the scale to 100 to 200 to even 50, there are always going to be 50% population which is around the average. So we need to think about a better way, and in my opinion, what and who is an average person. Listen, we need to come up with a better definition of calling it as. So one of the things that is coming into my mind right now is we should always compare to ourselves and how are we able to live up to my potential. Then if I'm not able to do that, then I will call that person as an average person. So for example, everybody has their different journey when they start, and if the person is improving fast, I would not call them an average, right? If that person is already like maybe smart person, maybe because of his background he's not able to grow faster or something like that, uh, I wouldn't call it as a like he, he may not be the average person, but my definition slightly will change because after a certain time the scope of improvement will diminishes, right? So that person is also smart for me, and that this person is improving that much at a faster rate, that is also smart person for me. I wouldn't call that person an average. So that's how I would like to think about that we are putting unnecessary pressure on the generation, on the kids as well, that we ask them to perform better as per to our expectation, but we do not remember that the most of the population is going to be average. So just think about it. We should not put everyone in the same bucket, in the same environment. And if people are able to do better than with respect to themselves, they are not an average person. And that's I want to leave you with. Thank you. Over to you.